Well, I know folks down in Montgomery are still celebrating Bar Reeve's state championship title from Saturday when the Vikings beat Marquette 65-50. Photojournalist John Tim shows us some of the sights and sounds from that game.
6-foot senior, number 10, Chris.
High school basketball coach. This is what everybody shoots for.
We were fortunate enough to know when our last game was, but that's the mentality we've been trying to play with the past couple weeks, knowing that don't make this our last game and stuff, and I just hope we left that imprint on the team.
I've had the opportunity, obviously, to be here 5 times, but this is the first time I've experienced to be a champion. It's not because of me, it's because of these guys around me, it's because of our community. Extremely feel blessed right now. It'll sink in at some point, but we had a really good basketball team, and they showed that today.